Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you Sundray Network Access Controller demo platform. In here, I will try to explain what is Sundray's one is all solution. This is the first page of the controller when you log in. So you can see here there's the standards of the access point. The 9 access point is online and one is offline. And also you can see the standards about the switch and also the traffic general and traffic per client and per application. So this page is mainly about the wireless, and also we can see from the wireless client. So you can see their username, we can see their authentication methods and IP address, and also the VLANs and other informations. In the WLAN standards, here you can think the wireless qualities. Here, for you can say that, for example, you can see the channel utilization. If this 2.4G frequency is interferent to each other or not, and also you can see the online client per AP, and also the traffic ranking, and also the noises in the environment and the code channel interference, retransmission rate, and bit error rate. This information help us to know our WLAN standards. And also in this page you can see the switch standards. You can see that what kind of devices it connect to the switch, if this is the access point or is the laptop. When you click the port, you can see the traffic in the last 5 minutes, in the last 30 minutes, last 1 day or 7 days. And also here, smart network topology. This is one of my favorite parts about our solution. You can see that you can have this topology about the switch. When you click the switch, you can do the configuration. So this makes the maintenance super easy. If you want just want to see a part of the network, for example the financial network, okay, it will highlight this switch. And also the traffic ranking per application or per client, and also alarm if there's the connection lost or the AP is offline. You can have the alarm in here. And also if someone do the attacks, try to scan our network, we can blacklist them. What's the terminal blacklist? It will be showing here. And also this one, address pool. IP address we know is very important in the network. So for this DHCP pool, if we visualize it, it make our network IP address management super efficient. You can say this is the IP address already assigned, and this is available IP address. And if this IP address is reserved, it is showing the color green. And also, if some terminals fail to get IP address, it will show in here. When you click the view detail, you can see what happened to these devices, why it doesn't get IP address. Also, you can see the DHCP pool in the switch, because we can create the DHCP pool in our controller or in the switch. So each switch we can maybe have the multiple DHCP pool. So each pool we can see this information here. And then I show you the objective. In the object here we can find that Sundry's app. This is the application data that Sundry have. So with this one we have the built-in IAM features for the wireless users. So based on these applications, more than 5,000 application, we can do the application filtering. We can plug some games, we can plug some social medias or other applications we want to block. And also we can base on this application give the higher bandwidth to some application. For example, right now we are using a Zoom meeting. It will give a higher priority. And that is your our URL database. In our controller, we have the more than 13 million URL in our database. So also can do the web filtering. We can just block some categories of websites in our network. For example, in the school, we're not allowed the student to visit some handouts network. Okay, and also in the web authentication for the guest, we support many ways. Just for example, you can say we can start to support short message, email, WeChat, QR code, and guest authentication, and also open Wi-Fi. The configuration is very easy. Just choose this one and put in some parameters to finish it down. And also Sundray support the social media's app authentication, just like Facebook, Twitter, Microsoft Live, Instagram, and Line. So this make our network authentication more convenient and more valuable. And then is our photo page for the photo page. For this, we have the beauty aids photo page template. So client can have their own styles. For example, this one, they have the five different pictures, five different pictures. And also like this one, in mobile phone, we can check. They have the two different pictures and also our authentication options is over the picture that is thanking style. And also for example like this one, it has multiple choice just like ours with biases on online. So we click the picture, each picture have their own links. So we can have these templates to have the advertisement for like the malls and other clients. Okay, I will not show it one by one, but you can see for some we have beauty photos and this includes lots of templates. Okay, now let's see the other centers. We said we are Y is or. Now let's check others. First one is authentication centers. Authentication centers. So now let's check what we can find in here. Easy authentication centers. First, we can create the username and the password. Create the username, like the user, just normal user account, or the account can be activated via the short message or email. So in the future, the user lost their account, they can find the password via their email or short message. And also can create a guest account. When we create a guest account, we can have a valid period. For example, just this guest account only valid for 2 hours or just 2 days. It depends on our setting. And then Sundry can work as a portal server to provide the portal service, portal authentication to third-party devices. For example, you can see here, the protocol we support is like Soundforce, uh, IAM, and Rockus, Aruba, Huawei, all these vendors, controllers, we can do the integration. And then we provide unified authentication for the wireless network. And also for the Sundry, we support external servers like the Redir's LDAP server or Capti Portal server and others database like the Oracle, MySQL, MSQL. All these databases Sundry can do the integration. Okay, just our uh, something I want to show you about our authentication centers. Now let's go back to the network and security. So Foundry focus on the security. Now this page says about security standard about the wireless. If some people do the attack in our for our wireless network, it will be recorded as showing this page, like the attack like the AP phishing, interference, AD hoc, and also other wireless flight attack, DOS attack. All this will be recorded and showing our uh, page. And identity. Here we can monitor the security of a card. If this account hasn't been used for 3 or 6 months, we have the record, so we will let IT delete it. And also, if this account do attack our network, we can have this record. And endpoint security. Endpoint security here, when the device is connected to the wireless, we can identify its terminal type and the record in our and show it in our page. East-west traffic. This is a very powerful features for the security. You can see we separate the area, we separate our Ethernet into the different area, and also we separate our users into the different group. So we can record the traffic from one group to another group, from one area to area, and also we have the policies based on a different area. So some traffic we can block, some traffic we can allow between the uh, area or between the user group. So this can be make ours in is Ethernet interactions. This can make our Ethernet access more controllable. And also, if there's some virus, we can block with these policies. Okay, so this is the east and west traffic. Now let's see the third one about switch management center. In this switch management center, we used to manage all the Sundray switch. 100% of configuration can be done in this switch management center. When we click this switch, now let's check. This is the page. We can do a lot of things here for troubleshooting, for monitor the standard. For example, here, if we want to P the switch from one to another, or if we want to show some message, show some information, we can get here to ping to show. And also we can check the information here. If we want to check the MAC address, you just see the MAC address, AirPit address, and also others royalty tables. So this can make it ours checking very quick. Also you can see the switch is be grouped. If you would just want to check the financial switch, it will show you financial switch, right? If you just want to say switch in some department, you just click this one and they will show the switch in that group. And also the topology, we already have this part in the first page. Okay, right now just like say that you can configure the switch about its group, ports, also the power supply. You can make the schedule for the PoE supply. For example, in the office, you use the PoE switch to power all the access point cameras, but then when it's the holidays, you want to turn off the access point, so you can have this PoE schedule. And then when we configure the VLAN deconfigurations, you just choose and then choose the switch at the port. So the configuration is very easy. Okay, 100% configuration can be done here about our switch. Now let's check the fourth one, marketing center. So the marketing center aims to bring more values from our network. This industry user profiling helps us to do the statistic about the local users. For example, the local users are our employees, so we can monitor if they come to the office on time, how long they stay in the office, when they working here, what kind of application they are using. Same with the students area. For the campus, we can monitor the students. If the students play too much games with our network, we can have the alert to their teachers. And also for the client the statistics, for this one can help to us to understand our business, like how many new guests do come to this store, how many repeat guests, which area is most popular area, at which day is the favorite day. And also Sundry can do the ads push, for the ads push after, before the user finish authentication or after user finish authentication, we can push them different advertisement. For example, if they first come, this is the first time they come to the mall, so we can tell them hi, welcome to our malls, and we can introduce some promotions or some activities happen in the mall. So based on this one, we can have the more salience with these features. And then the questionnaires. For the questionnaires, here's doesn't have any data, but also these are very good uh, features. If we have this, if we create a database and then with the before the user finish authentication, we can let them answer our question and then give us feedback. Okay, now let's see the last part about the report center. In the report center, he, here we can see the statistic about the bandwidth utilization in last 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month, and also monitor the traffic based on the per user group or per application, the URL, which are application mostly used by our users, and also we can have the statistics per user or per user group to check which website, which application they use. So all the things will be recorded in our controller, and all the support can be exported as the reference of our network management. Okay, so this is all about our introduction for today. If you're interested in our solution, please contact Sundray. We will give you more details. Thank you.